is TAT ceiling fan number 2. This is the one that kind of moved but was sluggish because of bad bearings. I managed to free them up. There's still bad bearings though. Tag is pretty intact inside there. As well as all the other stickers are. There's a date sticker. Let's see what else we have over here. Caution sticker, the other manufacturer code sticker. So this one's in pretty good condition. Not gonna talk much because these things have such a long spin down. We're gonna try low on it and see if it works. Starting now. Bit of bump. There we go. Look at this one, does have bearings that are a bit worse than it. You gonna still out? Or you're gonna still out, aren't you? Aren't you? Yeah, so low on this one. It's gonna stall out, it looks like. Where is it? I'm just gonna go medium low. So this is medium low. Alright, let's go ahead and go to medium high. Let's go to medium high. Not much of a difference actually. Weird. You click on medium high, right? That's a medium high. That's apparently medium high on that. Oh no, there we go. Medium high. It wasn't clicked on. My bad. I thought it was. Start to get some bearing noise here. Medium high. Let's go to high. Looking at the speed. It's left on oil on me too. Looks like we're at high now. And now for the extremely long. And this is TAT 2 out of 4. Just messing with the lighting, trying to get better focus on it. Oh, these things have such a long spin down. What if the cast iron versions of these have such a long spin down? Well, maybe one day when I find one, I'll find out. I'm sure the cast iron ones have better blades, just because this one's steel on steel. It's pretty close to getting done. And that was the timer for the dog fans. I had to stop this. The dog fans, they just turned on because they're on this timer behind me. So, either way, cat number 2. Thanks for watching.